Hey guys, hope you're having a beautiful day. So today I wanted to do an unboxing of the new Galaxy S25 Plus and also the Galaxy Bud 3 Pro. I actually got both of them and it comes in this mesh looking thing. I actually kind of like it. I don't really think it has any protection, but it looks pretty cool, so I'll take it. So now here's the two devices. Here's the Galaxy Bud 3 Pro. For some reason, it has this powder on top of the box. Maybe it was in the warehouse for a while, but this looks pretty cool. And this is the famous Galaxy S25 Plus. I like the box, pretty sleek. There you go, the Bud 3 Pro and the S25 Plus. Yeah, the boxes are nice. I mean, no complaint there. Looks premium. Let's start with the Buds 3 Pro. I'm gonna open it up here, and looks like the first thing we have are some instruction manuals. And we're gonna take out this little white paper. It says here, find your perfect fit. I guess it comes with different sizes for your ear, and it has a QR code in the back. Now here's the Bud 3 Pro. I like the feel of this. White color feels prestige, feels premium. I see this little red light there. I hope you guys saw in the camera. I'm gonna take one of these out just to test. Yeah, it feels like metal or whatever material they're using is really good. It looks like it'll last me for a while. I actually have the original earbuds from Samsung. I got them like in 2020 when I got my Note 10, and they still work. They work fine, no complaints. So yeah, I like it a lot. So here's the cable. I might use that for something else. And the empty box. So it looks like there's nothing else. Let me see if any of the instruction manuals. Okay, so here's the quick start guide, terms and condition. More terms and condition. Alrighty, so those are the Buds 3 Pro. I might use this cable for something else, but yeah, I'm happy with this purchase. I actually got it for $49, believe it or not. Alright, so the S25 Plus now. I like that it has this little latches in the back. It's like little stickers. You could peel them off, so you don't need to get a knife. You could just peel those off there and open the box. Now I got this color because it's for my wife. There's the coral red. It's beautiful. I mean, this looks pretty good. And let me take it out just to see how it feels. Yeah, this phone feels great. It's like, what is this made out of? Aluminum or something? Metal? Well, whatever it is, I like it. I'm gonna let her take out this little screen cover to get a new phone feeling, but yeah, it has these 3 cameras. This looks nice. I really like this. I'm gonna try to get one for myself maybe in a few months, but yeah, this feels really good. The Note 10 is a 6.3-inch screen, and this one is like a 6.7. So I'm excited to get one of these myself. So there you go. That's the S25 Plus, the Galaxy Buds 3. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. I focus more here on crypto. So check out my channel if you're interested in cryptocurrency, especially XRP. But again,